Welcome to Current Affairs Today India, your daily dose of exam-focused current affairs. Get crisp, accurate, and up-to-date news videos every single day for UPSC, SSC, banking, RRB, and more. Stay informed, stay ahead, and achieve your dream. Current Affairs, 23rd July 2025. 1. Who recently resigned as the Vice President of India, citing health concerns? A. M. Venkaiah Naidu. B. Jagdeep Dhankhar. C. Harivansh Narayan Singh. D. Om Birla. Answer B. Jagdeep Dhankhar. His resignation letter was addressed to President Drupadi Murmu as per Article 67 Cons. A. Dhankhar served as the 14th Vice President, elected in August 2022. 2. Under which article of the Indian Constitution can the Vice President resign? A. Article 64. B. Article 66. BUC. Article 67. AD. Article 68. Answer C. Article 67. A. Article 67. States that the Vice President may resign by writing to the President of India. Article 67B covers removal via Rajya Sabha resolution, while Article 67C allows holding office until a successor takes charge. 3. After a vacancy, within how many days must the Vice President election be held? A. 30 days. B. 45 days. C. 60 days. D. 90 days. Answer C. 60 days. The Election Commission must conduct the Vice President election within 60 days of vacancy. The Electoral College consists of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members, including nominated MPs. 4. Who will officiate in the Rajya Sabha after the Vice President's resignation? A. Om Birla. B. Fu. Harivansh Narayan Singh. C. Jagdeep Dhankhar. D. Piyush Goyal. Answer B. Harivansh Narayan Singh. Harivansh Narayan Singh, Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, will officiate until the election of a new Vice President. 5. Which fighter jet will be retired by the Indian Air Force by September 2025? A. Jaguar. B. MiG-29. C. MiG-21. D. Mirage 2000. Answer C. MiG-21. The IAF will phase out all MiG-21 jets, ending their 60-plus years of service. The aircraft faced numerous crash incidents. It will be replaced by LCA's Tejas Mark 1R6. When was MiG-21 first inducted into the Indian Air Force? A. 1955. B. 1963. C. 1971. D. 1980. Answer B. 1963. The MiG-21 was India's first supersonic jet and participated in major wars. 1965, 1971, Kargil, 1999 and 2019 Balakot airstrike, Wing CMDR, Abhinandan incident. 7. By what percentage did India's intellectual property IP filings increase in 5 years? A. 28%. B. 44%. C. 83%. D. 180%. Answer B. 44%. IP filings rose from 4.77 lakh 2020 to 21 to 6.89 lakh 2024 to 25. Online filings now account for 95%, boosting transparency and speed. 8. Which category saw the highest growth in IP filings? A. Patents. B. Geographical indications GI. C. Designs. D. Copyrights. Answer B. Geographical indications GI. GI filings grew 380%, 57 to 274. Designs grew 266%, patents 180%, copyrights 83%, and trademarks 28%. 9. What is the gross NPA ratio of public sector banks as of March 2025? A. 3.5%. B. 5.8%. C. 2.58%. D. 9.11%. Answer C. 2.58%. Gross NPAs fell from 9.11% March 2021 to 2.58% March 2025. Key reforms, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, SAFEZI Act changes, and better asset monitoring. 10. Where was the replica of the Ashoka pillar unveiled on 21st July 2025? A. Colombo, Sri Lanka. B. Vaskadua, Sri Lanka. C. Kandy, Sri Lanka. D. Galle, Sri Lanka. Answer B. Vaskadua, Sri Lanka. The replica was inaugurated at Sri Subhuti Viharaya Temple to honor Emperor Ashoka's role in spreading Buddhism to Sri Lanka. 11th. Which gene helps pineapples resist fusariosis fungal disease? A. Cry1AC, BT gene D, FUSAR1. Answer B. AKSERK3. Identified by Bose Institute D, ST scientists, ATSERK3 enhances resistance and improves pineapple somatic embryogenesis. 12. Which attack helicopter did the Indian Army recently induct? A. Chinook. B. AH-64E Apache. C. Rudra Mk4. D. K-226. D. Answer B. AH-64E Apache. The AH-64E Apache is a US-made attack helicopter with air-to-air missiles, rockets, and machine guns. A rupee 25,69,000 crore deal was signed for 6 helicopters. Follow us on Telegram, Current Affairs Today India, for free PDFs, MCQs, and one-liner questions. Don't miss your daily edge in exams.